In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp without name. So literally, when you want to create a WhatsApp account, you'll be prompted to type in your phone number and type in your full name or nickname. Just make sure you bear a name on WhatsApp. So this is a means of identifications for your friends to easily identify who you really are on the WhatsApp. So here, you can easily use your WhatsApp without a name, but there is no action button that you can use to turn off WhatsApp username or WhatsApp name. So in this video, I'm going to walk you around a trick that can easily let you use WhatsApp without a name. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is open the WhatsApp application and click on the three dots at the top right, that is on the WhatsApp profile page, this, and then select settings. Here, click on your name like this, then tap the edit pencil just opposite your name. Now, if you choose to delete your name like this, go ahead and click on the save button. Then you see name can't be empty. That shows you have to typically type in your name on WhatsApp. Then you can just go ahead and type in any of this character, maybe this, and then click on save. You see that? So that's my name. Or you can even use emoji. Save it. Then you see that? Then you can even use some other characters here. So let's say we choose full character here. Press this to have access to all the characters you have on your WhatsApp. So go ahead and use any character to define your name on WhatsApp. Then go ahead and hit the save button. So that is how you can easily remove or delete your name on WhatsApp. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.